Today we are going to work on three-legged dog. Start with a big breath up. Exhale, swan dive down. Step or jump back into downward facing dog. Big breath in and out. Now make sure the arms are straight. Fingers spread out, palms pushing down to the floor as well as the fingers. And then lift up that right leg. Keep those arms extended, keep them strong. And then pull that leg over to the side, bending and opening up through the hip flexor. Do your best to keep your arms straight, pushing into those hands. Keep that breath going. And then if you'd like to try the next step, you can roll it over and push the hips up towards the ceiling. Again, you want to tighten the glutes to push up, but open up through those hip flexors. And then pull yourself back. Back up into downward facing dog. Lift up that left leg. Big breath in. Arms extended. And then bend that leg and pull it over to the side. Now again, you want to make sure that you're pushing as much as you can equally into those arms to the hands. Keep them strong and straight. Get some stretch through that side and into that hip flexor. And then if you'd like, you can roll it over. Pushing up the hips as best you can. Big breath in and out. And then when you're ready, pull yourself back. Down into downward facing dog. Big breath in. And then bend those legs, walk it in or jump the feet to the hands. Landing quietly. Big breath up. Exhale. And that's three-legged dog. Have fun with it.